Good evening, SaaS creators. Welcome to another Friday video. My name is Rahul VP. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Dashvocal, the modern user onboarding platform for SaaS creators. In this video, I'm going to speak about free trial to premium conversion and how to make the transition more colorful. In today's session, I'm trying to explain about the free trial and its importance in modern SaaS business. I know you guys are quite familiar with this, but I'm trying to add a few more values which I can add. What is a software free trial? Free trial strategy emerged with a SaaS boom like years ago, where cloud-based solutions, hosted service solutions, where the users can sign up and start free trial immediately without implementing, without integrating anything in their on-premise or etc. So emerged with the same thing, like a product growth strategies emerged with the same thing, where a product played a medium role, an important role, where product itself sell to the users. Modern software users prefer a win-to-win strategy, where if your product, your software is able to deliver a product values, even in the free trial period itself, the users are more likely to pay for the service. Why free trial is important in SaaS? Offering a software free trial is most common powerful strategy to convert a prospect into a paid user. We're trying too many things, driving website traffic, creating contents to engage the audience and all, and finally the user visiting, landing at your website pages and trying. They would like to, whether the software is a power user or they are very first on your platform, they're trying to signing up for a free trial, and you have an option on website, vested on your placed on your website, and they're gradually moving to a sign up page and completing their free trial sign up. Suddenly they are moving into your web applications or on the backend dashboard portal, where they can execute some certain actions. Like as I said earlier, if you're offering a free trial, that's the best common strategy. But if you're not offering a free trial options, it's very difficult for a software user. They need to go back to a sales agent. They need to raise their interest for the product. So it's like a huge sales cycle. So when you're creating a free trial, we know that generally we are reducing the time to the success. So free trial users allow to use a full feature. In most cases, if you're a SaaS provider, you're offering your full features free for a certain period of time. It might be 7, it might be 14 days, it might be 30 days, depending upon, more likely like a 7 to 14 days. If the user identify the product values, they're more likely to pay. Obviously, they're more likely to pay during this free trial period. So let's discuss a few things that is, to make a free trial period more convincing. So a free trial period, a few advantages, something like it reaches to a potential buyer directly. Modern software users are more value centric. If they found your product is, delivering the product values in the early days itself, they're more likely to purchase. So helps to eliminate the unfit users. What is unfit users? So if you took a list of 100 free trial signups, in that list, about a few percentage would be like they just sign up for a free trial with curiosity. They're more likely not want to use the product for a long period. And if you're not offering a free trial, they sign up for directly and paying for your service. Nobody will do that. But if they're paying for your service without knowing about your product, it create a problem. Unfit users create a lot of uncertainties. Free trial, eliminate this unfit users by giving them a few days to try. Let's say if they are trying the product for a few days and they are gradually moving into your a premium, it's creating a lot of values over there. Because if you're not offering a free trial, directly sign up for your premium product, they're more likely to speak somewhere in the social media that kills your product values or goodwills over there in your peers. Reducing the long-term commitment barrier. As I discussed earlier, if you're offering a free trial period for a certain period, because SaaS is more likely a long-term commitment, where SaaS companies prefer like 12-month sign-up period, or monthly you can recur the payment. So let's say if you look into any SaaS pricing model, if you're going for a 12-month, the SaaS provider will give you a discount. Let's say if you need to pay only for the 10 month, but they otherwise they will give you some certain percentage of discount in their pricing. But if you're going monthly, that more likely you won't get that discount. So if you're so sure, if you're that's what I'm trying to say, like creating the long term value with the user, and if we don't create the long-term, where the user is not feeling the product is good, they can leave in the free trial period itself. And the fourth one is it's increasing a brand credibility. So if you haven't listed a free trial possibility on your website, as the research shows that 90% of the modern software users preferring to see the pricing on their website, and they would like to try a free trial, and they're more likely to believe a brand if they listed a free trial option on their website. And there are some cases where you cannot build or cannot provide a free trial. Maybe that might be the software has been created mainly based on the software use cases, or it might be a custom requirement, etc. And the fifth one is providing a first test to the users. Let's say if you're offering a free trial that helps the user directly getting started with your product without paying anything, they get a first hand on your product without paying anything extra. And the sixth one is get more qualified leads. If the user is serious, they're more likely to finish their account process during the free trial product time period itself, and the conversion is more easy for a sales guy. Why do you offer a free trial? It's a good question, right? So if you're intended to reach to a free trial users to seek a payment for a premium activation post the free trial expiry, most likely people will pay if you delivered the proposed value in the earlier times. Otherwise, they won't do that. So we're getting into an important section, how to deliver an unconditional free trial experience. So you can deliver free trial experience, but we have just discussing about how to deliver an unconditional and amazing free trial experience to your software users. So let's discuss. So people sign up for your free trial all because of understanding how your product is helping to achieve their goals. So what is it, and what is the return of investment? If they're spending, even though if they're signing up for a free trial, so definitely they need to spend a few time, like they need to spend some times to sign up, they need to receive the verification link, etc. So it's an investment anyhow. So they need to make sure that you're providing that value back to the user. To make your software user free trial more effective, deliver an unconditional product onboarding experience to them. So how to deliver an unconditional user onboarding experience? Set up a proper user onboarding method. So if you're offering a software with a complex features, definitely like a sophisticated product with a lot of features, you might have a proper user onboarding strategy and a user onboarding method. If you don't have, that's create a lot of problem with the user when they are creating for a free trial. And the second one is send a personalized email. Once the user signed up for a free trial, and maybe in the second or third day, you can send some emails to notify, or based on it might be a personalized email, and send them on a regular interval to notify their account activities, pending activities, etc. So that create more values to the user. And the third one is provide an instant support to the user. When a user, even though the user in the free trial period, you need to provide an excellent support. If you provide a support even the free trial product itself, that more likely the user, you can retain the user, you can convert the free trial user to a premium version. So let's discuss what are the services as a free trial, as a service provider you get with the your Dashfrugal product. So we offer a self-service free trial with Dashfrugal. A self-service, the self-service product demo is a modern way where the user itself demonstrate the product themselves without help of a sales agent. So by using product, in a defined format, the self-service product demo provides a proper trial experience to the user. With Dashfrugal, you can create some method, the self-service method, like a guided product tool, contextual guidance, a video guided product tools, etc. So all these three facility which we are providing with Dashfrugal will definitely help your software users to getting started with your product, navigating through your application for that's creating a more feature adoption with your software. So thank you so much for watching. So for any queries, like visit our website www.dashfrugal.com or write directly to me, rahul@dashfrugal.com. Thank you.